Now, where might she be? I have a young lady that I teach mandolin back home in Mississippi, and I've been knowing this young lady since she was 8 years old. She makes her home down in Ware, Mississippi, just right down the road from Ackerman. And she's 15 years old and come to Rosine, Kentucky for the first time here today. And I really want y'all to put your hands together and make her welcome, Miss Alexis Taterbug Turnip Seed. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, she's gonna be going home on the morning train. Got a little mind.
What key is it there?
Yeah. C. And C. Now, she's got an old-time song. Robert, who did this? Was it Molly O'Day did this one?
I think she done that yet.
I'm going home on the morning train. Woo, yeah. I'm going to call Miss Alexis up to the mic, and y'all just grab a hold and hold on, boys. She can really do it. Here we go.
I'm going home on the morning train. I'm going home on the morning train. That evening train may be too late. I'm going home on the morning train. Oh, broken heart, with your grief. Lay it at the Savior's feet. The sun's gonna shine, the birds gonna sing. When you get home on the morning train. I'm going home on the morning train. I'm going home on the morning train. That evening train may be too late. I'm going home on the morning train. Come on, sinners, and learn to pray. God's gonna call you out someday. When that trumpet sounds, it'll be too late. You can't get home on the morning train. I'm going home on the morning train. I'm going home on the morning train. That evening train may be too late. I'm going home on the morning train. I'm going home on the morning train. I'm going home on the morning train. That evening train may be too late. I'm going home on the morning train.
Yeah. Woo! All right. Now, hold on. Hey, did y'all like that all right? I'm really proud of this young lady now. Y'all, I work with her every week, and I can tell you for the past 3 years, she's worked really, really hard on that mandolin and to be able to play and sing like that. And she loves bluegrass music. Hey, I tell her all the time, bluegrass and bluegrass gospel music is the best music in the world for the best people in the world. I guarantee you.